made by the same people.
Right.
Okay, next, the 1925 Harley Davidson.
It's pretty in the sun, you don't think?
Every bike's faced that way, so
I know.
well, it'd have to be different in America.
Okay, give us certainly looks clean and tidy. Give us a little bit about the history of this machine, please.
It's a Harley Davidson, obviously. It's a model JD from 1925, 74 cubic inch or 1200cc. It's a bike that raced in the American flat track events in period, converted in about 1927. AMA started sort of organising flat track events in about 1926, so it was right at the very beginning of American competition. It was ridden by a guy who later on called Woody Woodard, who did pretty well on it. It was one of the first bikes he bought, one of the last bikes he owned before he died. Went to a museum, started to disrepair, a client of mine bought it, and then I basically restored it for him. It's, I don't know, 2,500 to 3,000 RPM is where it's making most of its power. It'll pull about 70 mile an hour. It's got 1929 cylinders on it, a bit boring this, but the point is they made more power. So this bike's probably capable of about 85. It's in flat track trim. It's got what are called Sportster bars, which are quite low, smaller tanks, C-section mudguards, everything you would do in period to make a bike, competitive and race. And again, a little bit more info on sort of American flat track sort of racing. It really came out of the whole rodeo and country fair type stuff. When they used to race horses and do a little bit of jumping and stuff and steeplechasing. By the time the cars turned up, they wanted to race their cars. Bikes turned up, they wanted to race their bikes. And the cars and bikes took over from the horses, so they started racing these at country fairs, and that's where it all sort of started from.